Oh, hey there, Joseph here. Welcome or welcome back. Struggling to find out which video is right for your business? There are 5 types of videos you don't want to miss. Keep watching. So we often talk about how video can really make a difference when it comes to market your company online. They are more engaging, more captivating, more converting. However, there are so many types of video you can do, and it's really difficult to find out which one is right for your business. I'm gonna break down for you the top 5 that you have to take into consideration if you are thinking of including video marketing in your strategy. Let's get to it. Video type number 1 are storytelling videos. Now, these kind of videos are incredible if you are about to launch a product. Here's why. If you are launching a new company, you are launching a new product, a new service, or you are a startup, what happens very often, you are so excited about the product or the service that you're selling that you forget a big part, which is talking about who is behind that product, talking about yourself, talking about the people behind that company. When you are new in the business, nobody really knows who you are. Therefore, they really will struggle to trust you to begin with, which is why it's really important to share a little bit more about the people behind this company. Highlight why you decided to create a product or that service. What does that mean to you and how you can help people? At the very beginning of your company, what really sells your offer, it's your story rather than the product itself. Of course, you have to have a great product, but that comes after. The story will be the key point that will convert your followers, your prospect, into customers. Video type number 2, informative video. Now, have you seen any of these videos before? Give me a little thumbs up if you have, and you probably did because you're watching this one. Informative videos have the purpose to educate, explain, and share valuable information about a specific industry or topic. And these kind of videos are incredible to drive traffic to your website, plus build your credibility and trust online. If you are a service provider and you are, for example, very knowledgeable about a particular topic, this is the kind of video you want to start creating right now. Why? You are sharing valuable information that someone is looking for free, and this person will trust you because you are giving away value already before they invest in you. Now, I know what you might think. What about if I am sharing too much information? What about if I'm giving too much away? My answer on that is balance is key. You want to share what you do. You want to share why you do it. You don't really want to give away too much of how you are effectively executing your strategy. You just want to give a little sneak peek on your free content, and then if they want more, they can invest in you. Video type number 3 are testimonials videos. Now, these videos are the superpower for your offer. Why? This is essentially love from your clients. They tell you why they love your service so much, how you take them from point A to point B, as well as what do they actually like about working with you. So this information you want to ensure every time you ask to someone to record a testimonial video for you are included, because this information are essentially the same information we all go and look for when we're looking to invest in something new. So you want to make sure that this information are there for your potential buyer as well. Video type number 4 are web series. Now, these are by far one of my favorite type of video you can do for your business. Web series are so popular, more than you think. You might not know them with this name, but you surely see them on Instagram or YouTube. How do they work? The best strategy for web series is really sharing a video every day for 2 weeks. The video doesn't want to be more than 5 to 10 minutes max. 10 minutes is already stretching it. Web series are great if you're looking to launch a new product or service. You want to take people with you during the launch process and show them behind the scene of what you're working on. This is an opportunity to introduce your team, if you have a team, or share how you work towards the launch. This is normally what sells the product at the end because it's really interesting. People love process. People love to see how other people achieve their goals. So this kind of content isn't only inspirational, but also a great insight of the way you work with your service or with your product and what people are buying into it when they purchase your offer. Show all of this in a web series and I can guarantee you the result will surprise you. Last but not least is video type number 5, which are product demonstration videos. Now, all your tutorials, your recipes, your training, this kind of video make people super interested on the product and service. And it's a great way to convert awareness into purchase. Why? Every time I watch a skincare routine or a skincare tutorial to just relax and switch off out of my day, next time I go and buy something, I can guarantee you I will probably buy the product that I seen last time on YouTube, because this is the way it works. Same thing for fashion. If you're doing fashion, show how to accessorize a particular product. Show how to wear a particular jacket. All these kind of videos are ideas for you that people love to see. And before you know it, they probably will buy the product that you share. So why not try it? If you instead are a chef or you are into the nutritional products, protein shake, supplements, show different recipes with it. This kind of content attracts people to you, and before you know it, they will become your client. If you instead are in the wellness world, make sure you share that as well. I see loads of profile of personal trainers or yoga teacher or people that are into mindfulness, and it's great, but I don't really see any videos of it. Video where I can see what I'm buying into it. I see lots of pictures but no videos, and this is exactly what converts, especially if you're into wellness just like I am. I love to see action. If you are a personal trainer, you need to show me what can you do with me, and I want to see it on video. And what better opportunity for you to share on social media. Now, how about you? Which one of these videos trigger your attention, and which one are you gonna try next? Let me know on the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you want to join my community on Instagram as well, you can find me at Joseph Rubelli pretty much everywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you same time, same place on the next video.